Welcome guys, welcome to our channel.
Yes guys, welcome back. We want to show you how to make mango juice. Mangoes are in season, make most of it before they disappear. So guys, you need have 2 mangoes, also a piece of ginger, some vanilla yogurt, yes, and our blender. Yeah, so we'll peel
I love mango.
Peel our mangoes.
I really love mango. Mangoes are my favorite. They're very sweet. They taste like candy. Even I like fruits.
You like fruit, right?
Yeah.
That's good. They are very healthy. Fruits are very healthy.
I eat apples.
What other fruit do you eat?
Machungwa.
Say orange.
Orange.
Apple.
Apple.
Bananas.
Even banana.
So you slice our mango into cubes.
I just want to eat one.
You want to try? Yeah.
My tummy. Those was in my lunchbox. I will eat them. All of them. But this has the seed.
No, we are not putting the seed.
Yes, I know. I will eat that. I will eat that later. Peeling might be hard with me, but I couldn't peel. Because if I cut myself, we don't have bandage, so I will do by myself. But I saw
So peel all your apples. No, sorry. All your mangoes.
Or you can
Cut them in some cubes. Put them in the blender.
Even you can eat the skin. We eat the skin too, but I don't eat the skin. I don't like the skin at all. Cut. Okay. Yay. How the seed can be very, very small. The seeds are gonna be mine because I love mangoes. Mangoes are my fruits. Oh, one got out. Ta-da! Dump.
Pour in your yogurt.
A little bit.
Put all of it.
Joy! Get in
A
yogurt.
piece of ginger.
Sheesh. It's all about the mango. Is it enough?
Yeah.
That it's
You also want some milk
Huh?
so that it is able to blend.
It looks like here it's
Where's
you're making a milkshake.
Where is our lid?
Mommy, you're making a milkshake. A milkshake has to be like this. Put yogurt or banana, milk, and you already put milk and you're already making a smoothie.
Ah.
Huh? How do you know how to make? Pumpkin soup.
Wow.
It looks good.
Try. How is it?
Good.
So good, eh? You like the smoothie? Actually, we didn't make the juice, we made a smoothie. And she loves it. Will you finish that?
No.
I
I'm a smart.
don't know what I've been waiting for. This is so good.
Yeah.
And then I did it.
Did you have the lemon biscuit?
No. We had honey, mango, vanilla.
So guys, try it. This is my supper. Hey guys, you can't wait to have pilau and this smoothie. So good. You guys, you are really missing out on this. So good. So try it. Whichever food you combine with, it goes really well. I chose mine to be pilau for today. So guys, try this mango smoothie. Actually, I was making the juice. I changed my mind midway. Let me know what you think about the video. This video. Try it at home. It's really, then the mangoes are in season. Just go try it and you'll definitely love it. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. Let's support this channel to grow, and I really appreciate my existing subscribers. You have done a good job. Let's keep pushing this channel. I really appreciate your support. So consider subscribing if you're new here. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like please. It helps me to it helps this video to be pushed to other viewers. Yeah, and it helps my channel grow. Comment, like, share. Let me know what you think. What you think about this video. Comment down below in the comment section. Yeah, I would appreciate. So see you in another video. Bye. Let me enjoy my meal now. Guys, my Saturday is made so good.